They overload these trucks and then they become very unstable. And sometimes they do that in the corners. Just tip over. Hope the driver is okay. Another truck in the bush. This one has even bush growing out of it. Oh yeah. Shit. That's some heavy crash. Wow.
Šitās mums tēniņas ik pa brīdim ceļa malā, ka fūra vai sāniem vai dziļi grāvī kā šī. Tā tad darbojas un stāv kādu laiku. Cik redzams vietām jau sen jau apaugušas, ieaugušas ceļa malās.